Ever found yourself juggling multiple Lunar accounts and wished there was a quicker way to move money between them? Well, you're in the right place. Lunar, with its sleek interface and innovative features, offers a seamless experience. But how do you efficiently transfer funds between your various accounts? Let's dive right in. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Lunar app. Open your Lunar app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged into the account you want to transfer from. Navigate to the Transfer section. On the main screen, look for the Transfer button. It's usually a prominent icon, often represented by an arrow. Tap on it to proceed. Select the recipient account. A new screen will appear. Here, you'll see a list of your linked Lunar accounts. Carefully choose the account you want to transfer money to. Input the transfer amount. A field will be displayed where you can enter the amount you wish to transfer. Use the numeric keypad to input the desired sum. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the transfer, take a moment to review the details. Double-check the recipient account and the transfer amount. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Confirm button. Authentication. To ensure security, Lunar might require additional authentication. This could involve a fingerprint scan, face recognition, or a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered phone number. Complete the authentication process as prompted. Transfer confirmation. After successful authentication, you will receive a confirmation message. This message will typically display the transfer amount, the recipient account, and the transaction reference number. Additional tips. Speed of transfers. Lunar transfers are usually processed instantly. However, there might be slight delays, especially during peak hours or system maintenance. Transfer limits. While Lunar offers flexible transfer limits, it's always a good idea to check the specific limits associated with your account tier. Security best practices. Always keep your Lunar app updated to the latest version. Use strong, unique passwords for your Lunar account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid sharing your account details with anyone. Transferring money between your Lunar accounts is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can efficiently manage your finances and enjoy the convenience that Lunar offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.